with some of the guys I was about to speak, and some of the cool guys, they were like, you know what I'm saying, like on the football team, and I saw them teasing this smaller guy with glasses. And I was like, yo, like, y'all giving my man a hard time. Like, what is it? Like, what, was he talking about you? They was like, nah, man, it's nothing. I'm like, nah, tell me, like, I wanna know, cause y'all cracking jokes, you know what I'm saying? Like, I wanna get, like, what did he say something about your mama? Like, what happened? They was like, nah, man, he be in class and, man, you wouldn't even. I'm like, give it to me, I wanna laugh too. Like, what is it? They was like, man, he be in class, man, answering questions. I'm like, yeah, okay, so what else? No, man, I'm just saying, he think he's smart. I'm like, oh, okay, so you bullying him because he's smart? I'm like, since when was it corny to be smart? Like, that's what scared me about this new, listen to me, that's the new cool. You know what I told them? I said, while y'all playing, my man gonna get a little taller, he gonna lose them glasses and put in them contacts, he gonna put a little weight on, and he gonna be working for a tech company, and you gonna be asking him for a job one day, because there is value in education. There is value in humbling yourself. So now we gotta ask ourselves, okay, how do I get to the next level? How do I be the absolute best version of me that I can be so I can give to the world what I'm supposed to give to the world? So I need you dreaming. I need you thinking. I need you asking yourself, okay, what adjustments can I make? How far can I go? What can I experience in life? Where can I travel? Let me tell you something, education is the key. I'm gonna tell you right now, I've worked with some students who really struggle, and I'm like, okay, you might not get it like your classmate gets it, but you got a brain just like them. I remember being in class, and I have some classmates, they would read it, they got it. That wasn't my story. I would have to read it 2-3 times for me to really finally get it. And that's okay, like, I don't mind putting extra work. Can I be honest with you? I was never the fastest. I was never the smartest. Like, I didn't have the highest IQ. I didn't get it right away. I ain't have no special tutors. Like, that ain't my story, but I'm thinking like, you ain't finna outwork me. You're not gonna put in more work than me. I'm gonna put in the extra work. I'm gonna put in the extra grind. I'm gonna make the necessary sacrifices. I'm gonna do what I gotta do so I can experience what I wanna experience. So when you look at any of the greats, you look at any of them, Tom Brady, when you look at Michael Phelps, when you look at Serena Williams, you know what I'm saying? Like, when you look at some of the greats like LeBron James, like, he's not just tall. You know what I'm saying? Like, he puts in work. So you gotta ask yourself, how successful do I wanna be? How powerful do I wanna be? And how am I gonna put the work in? And it starts right here and right now.